Let us start the session. Today we are going to do multiple choice questions from chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables, part 2. So we are going to complete another set of 20 questions, 21 to 40. So let us start the 21st question. So let us start question number 21. If 2x plus 3y is equals to 12 and 3x minus 2y is equals to 5, then now we have to solve these two equations. Okay. So first we will write these two equations. Then now see, if we multiply this by 2, the first one, if you multiply this by 2 and the second equation by 3, so these two coefficients will become same. ठीक है, क्या मिलेगा देखो, 4x plus 6y is equals to 24, right? This is the equation we got from equation number 1. Now the next equation, 9x minus 6y is equals to 15, right? Okay, now if we add, what we are getting, 13x, and this side 39, right? So multiplying 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, then adding, we get 4x plus 9y is equals to 24 plus 15, that is 13x is equals to 39. So what is the value of x? 3, right? Now we are going to substitute the value of x in first equation. यहाँ पे चलो, so 2 into 3 plus 3y is equals to 12. So 2 into 3 is 6, and we will shift 6 to this side. So minus 6 हो जाएगा. So 3y is equals to 6. So what is the value of y? 2. Very good. So what is the correct option?
Option C.
Right, option C. So question number 22, if x minus y is equals to 2 and 2 by x plus y is equals to 1 upon 5, then, so first equation is x minus y is equals to 2. What is the second equation? From this, what you will get?
Y is equal to 10.
Very good. X plus y is equals to 10. So now we have to solve these two equations. Add these two equations. So what we are getting? 2x
is equal to 12.
Right, 2x is equals to 12. So what is the value of x? 6. Right. Now substitute the value of 6 in second equation. So we'll get 6 plus y is equals to 10. So shift 6 to this side. It will become minus 6. So what is the value of y? 4. Right. So which option is the correct one?
Option
A. C. Right. Very good. Now we are moving towards question number 23. If 2x upon 3 minus y upon 2 plus 1 upon 6 is equals to 0 and x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equals to 3, then, okay, so what we have to do, we have to simplify these two equations. ठीक है, so कैसे simplify करेंगे देखो, पहले तो दोनों equations को लिख लिए, अभी इसमें into 6 कर लो पूरा, दोनों में into 6. So what you will get here, if you multiply with 6, this first term will become 4x and this will become minus 3y and this will become plus 1. Or if you shift to this side, it will become minus 1. Okay, so if you multiply with 6, you will get 3x, 4y plus 4y and is equals to 18. Whether this is clear, these two equations?
Yes.
Okay, now what we will do, we will multiply with 4 here and we will multiply with 3 this equation. So these two will be cancelled. ये minus 12y और ये plus 12y हो जाएगा और ये कितना होगा 16 and this will be 9. Right. So these two will be cancelled and we are getting 16x plus 9x is equals to minus 4 plus 54. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means 25x is equals to 50. So what is the value of x?
2.
2. Right. So now we are going to substitute x is equals to 2 in equation 4. यहाँ पे. So 3 into 2 plus 4y is equals to 18. 3 into 2 is 12. Shift to this, 6. Shift to this side. 18 minus 6. Okay. So we'll get 4y is equals to 18 minus 6. Oh, this is 6 only. So 18 minus 6 कितना होगा? एक मिनट मिस्टेक हो गया. 4y is equals to 18 minus 6, right? So 4y is equals to 18 minus 6, that is 12. तो इसकी जरूरत नहीं है, फिर इसको कट कर देते हैं, right? So y is equals to 3, right? So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A, right? So option A is the correct answer. Now we are moving toward question number 24. 1 upon x plus 2 upon y is equals to 4 and 3 upon y minus 1 upon x is equals to 11. Then we have to find the value of x and y. Okay, so first we will write both the equations. Now see, in both the equation, the sign of 1 upon x is alternate, means opposite, plus minus. So what we will do, we will add these two. If we add, these two will be cancelled. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
ये x plus है ना, this is x plus, and 2 upon y plus 3 upon y will be equals to 4 plus 11. If we add, okay, adding 1 and 2, we get 2 by y plus 3 upon y is equals to 4 plus 11. So 2 by y plus 3 by y कितना हो जाएगा if you add?
5.
Very good. 5 by y is equals to 15. So what is the value of y? 5
1 by
upon
3.
Yes, 5 upon 15, that is 1 upon 3. Now this value, what we will do, we will substitute here in this equation, right? So 2 by y हो जाएगा 2 into 3. If you substitute y is equals to 1 upon 3, that will become 2 into 3. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now this is 6, shift to this side, will become 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. So what is the value of x?
Minus 2.
Huh?
1 by minus 2.
Very good. That is minus 1 upon 2. Okay, x is equals to minus 1 upon 2, and the correct option is D. Right, any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we are moving towards question number 25. Okay, so 4x plus 6y is equals to 3xy and 8x plus 9y is equals to 5xy. Then so अगर textbook के method पे देखें तो पहले this is not a linear equation. Now we have to reduce to linear equation by dividing both sides by xy. तो ऐसा नहीं करना है, ठीक है? तो उसी को direct equations ले ले रहे हैं. Now I am going to make the coefficient same. So first को मैं 2 से into कर रहा हूँ, right? 2 से into करेंगे तो ये 8 हो जाएगा ना? This will become 8 and this will become 12 and this will become 6. This is clear? Now subtract these two.
Yes, sir.
Subtract. What you will get? These two will be cancelled. You will get 3y is equals to xy. Right, very good. Okay, so 3y is equals to xy. So we can cancel y from both sides and we are getting x is equals to 3. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we
Yes,
are
sir.
substituting x is equals to 3 in first equation. That is 4 into 3 plus 6y is equals to 3 into here also 3 into y. So ये 9y हो जाएगा. Okay. So you can shift 6y to this side, minus 6y, and this is 12. So 12 is equals to 9y minus 6y. And 9y minus 6y is 3y is equals to 12. So what is the value of y? 4, right. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. So now we are moving toward question number 26. If 29x plus 37y is equals to 103 and 37x plus 29y is equals to 95, then I told you that when the coefficients are large numbers and the coefficients are interchanged in the another equation, so what we have to do?
Add and subtract.
Right, very good. We have to add and subtract to get the two equations, two small equations, right? So now we are going to add these two equations, right? So if you add, what you will get?
76x.
66. 66x plus 66y plus 198 is equals to 198. 198 66 into 3 hota hai. So we'll divide all by 66. So what we are going to get?
X
X
plus
plus
y
y is
equal to
equal to
3.
3.
Very good. X plus y is equals to 3. Okay, now we are going to subtract. उल्टा करेंगे ऐसा 2 minus 1. So 37 minus 29 8 8x minus 8y और ये भी माइनस में आ जाएगा minus 8. So if you divide all by 8, what you will get?
X minus y equal to minus 1.
Right, very good. X minus y is equals to minus 1. Right, now we have to add these two equations. If you add, what you will get?
2x equal to 2.
2x is
Very
equal
good.
to
2x is equals to 2. So what is the value of x?
1.
1.
1. Right. So now we are going to substitute 1 in equation 3. So 1 plus y is equals to 3. So what is the final value of y?
2.
2. Right. So
2.
which option is the correct one?
A.
Option A. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 27. The system x minus 2y is equals to 3 and 3x plus ky is equals to 1 has a unique solution only when. Just now we did the similar question. Okay. So we'll write first in general form. The first equation will become x minus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. And the second equation will become 3x plus ky minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we will write a1, b1, c1. So what is a1?
1.
1. b1,
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
c1,
Minus 3.
Minus
Minus
2.
3.
a2,
3.
3.
P.
b2
Plus 1.
K.
plus k, and last c2
Minus 1.
Minus
minus 1. Very good. So now the condition is given unique solution. So what is the condition of unique solution?
A1 upon A2 is
A1
not equal to B1 upon B2.
Very good. a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. So now we'll substitute the value of a1 upon a2. What is a1 upon a2?
1 upon
1 by
2.
1 by 3. 1 by 3, right. And b1 upon b2?
minus 2 by 3.
Minus 2 upon
Minus 2
A.
by k, right. So if you cross multiply, what you will get?
K is not equals to 6.
Minus 6.
Minus
Minus
Very good. K is not equals to minus 6. So which option is the correct one?
option.
Option B.
Option B.
Option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 28. The system x plus 2y is equals to 3 and 5x plus ky plus 7 is equals to 0 has no solution. When? So first we will write standard form. X plus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0, and second one already it is given in standard form. So a1 is 1, a2 is minus, b1 is minus 2, c1 is minus 3, a2 is 5, b2 is plus k, and c2 is 7. Right. So what is the condition of no solution?
A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2.
Very good. a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon c2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. Right. So now what is a1 upon a2?
1 upon 5.
1 by
Very
5.
good. b1 upon b2?
2 by
2
k.
upon
2
2.
by k. Very good. c1 upon c2?
Minus
Minus
3
3
upon
by
7.
7.
Right. So we'll substitute all. Okay. So now we'll take this one only. If you cross multiply, what you will get?
K equal to 10.
K equal to 10.
Right. K is equals to 10. So what is the correct option?
Option A.
Option A. Right. So now 29th question. For what value of k does the following pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions? 10x plus 5y minus of k minus 5 is equals to 0. 20x plus 10y minus k is equals to 0. So these two equations already it is in standard form, right? So we are going to write both the equations. Now what is the value of a1?
10.
10, b1,
5.
5.
c1,
Minus k plus 5.
minus of k minus 5, okay? And a2,
20.
20.
b2,
10.
and c2
Minus k.
1. K.
minus k, right? So we got this one. And infinitely many solution. What is the condition?
A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2.
Very good. a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. So what is a1 upon a2?
10 upon
1 by
20.
2.
10 फिलहाल तो 10 upon 20 लिखेंगे and b1 upon b2
5 by 10.
5 by 10 and c1 upon c2 minus of k minus 5 upon minus k, right? So ये minus minus हम लोग cancel कर सकते हैं and this is also 1 by 2 and this is also 1 by 2. So this will be 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 is equals to k minus 5 upon k. So now what we will do, we will cross multiply. So we'll get 2k is equals k is equals to 2k minus 10. So shift k to this side minus k and minus 10 to this side plus 10. So the final value of k is
Plus 10.
plus 10, right? So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A, right? Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 30. The pair of equations 2x plus 3y is equals to 5 and 4x plus 6y is equals to 15 has. So what we will do, we will write a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2, then we'll find the ratios, then we'll check. Okay. So first a1 b1 c1. What is a1?
Plus 2.
b1
3.
3
c1
minus
Minus
5.
5.
minus 5 a2
Plus
4.
4.
plus 4 b2
Plus 6.
c2
Minus 15.
Very good. So we got this one. Now we are going to find a1 upon a2. So what is a1 upon a2?
2
2 by
upon
4.
2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. And what is b1 upon b2?
1
3
by 2.
upon 6.
3 upon 6, that is also 1 by 2. And the last one, minus 5 by minus 15. That will be
1 by 3.
yes, 1
1 by
upon 3. That means a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, but not equals to c1 upon c2. So the lines are parallel and it has no solution, right? So which option is the correct one?
Option
Option
D.
D.
Option D, right? So now we are moving toward question number 31. Aruna has only rupee 1 and rupees 2 coins with her. If the total number of coins that she has is 50 and the amount of money with her is rupees 75, then the number of rupee 1 and rupees 2 coins are respectively. So what we have to do, rupee 1, let the number of coins be x, and rupee 2, let the number of coins be y. So total number of coins is given 50, right? So x plus y is equals to 50, that is the first equation. And the second equation, total amount is 75. तो क्या करेंगे, x into 1 and y into 2, and that is equals to 75. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to solve these two equations. So subtract करो. If you subtract, what you will get? X will be cancelled. Minus 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 हो जाएगा. ये cancel हो जाएगा. And what we are
Y is
going to
equal to 25.
right? Very good. Y is equals to 25. And now if y is equals to 25, so what will be the value of x?
25.
25, right? So which option is the correct one?
Option
Option
D.
Option D, right? So now we are moving toward question number 32. The father's age is 6 times his son's age. 4 years hence, the age of the father will be 4 times his son's age. The present ages in years of the son and the father are respectively. So पहले तो x and y ले लेते हैं हम लोग, father का x और son का y. Okay. So as according to the question, father's age is 6 times his son's age. So x is equals to 6y. So this is the first equation. Now for the second equation, 4 years hence, after 4 years, the father's age will be x plus 4 and the son's age will be y plus 4 and father is 4 times. So we'll get x plus 4 is equals to 4 times y plus 4. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we will do, we will substitute 6y here only without simplifying this one. ठीक है? तो ये हो जाएगा 6y plus 4 is equals to 4y plus 16. This step is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now shift 4y to this side and 4 to this side. So we'll get 2y is equals to 12. So what is the value of y?
6.
6. And what is the value of x?
36.
36.
36.
Very good. So which option is the correct one?
Option
Option
C.
C.
Option C, right. Very good. Now we are moving toward question number 33. Okay. The age of the father is twice the sum of the ages of his two children. After 20 years, his age will be equal to the sum of the ages of his children. Find the age of the father. तो x एक फादर का x ले लेते हैं और दोनों चिल्ड्रन का yz. ओके, अदरवाइज टुगेदर ऑल्सो वी कैन टेक y. क्लियर? अभी तो x y z ले रहा हूं. इफ यू विश यू कैन टेक दिस टू चिल्ड्रन एज टुगेदर एज y. It is up to you. Okay, so what is the condition? It is given x is 2 times the sum of the two children, that is x is equals to 2 times y plus z, and after 20 years the age of father is equals to the age of the two children, his two children, that is x plus 20 is equals to y plus 20 plus z plus 20. इसमें 20 eliminate कर लेते हैं, एक 20. So what we are going to get, x is equals to y plus z plus 20. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so y plus z is equals to x minus 20. And this y plus z, what we will do, we will substitute here. देखो यहाँ पर, ठीक है? So substitute करने के बाद क्या मिलेगा? x is equals to 2 into x minus 20. राइट. सो ध्यान से देखो, ये 40 हो जाएगा. सो विल गेट x इज इक्वल्स टू 2x माइनस 40. एंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x देन? 40, right. So hence the father's age is we have to find only the father's age. So correct option is
Option D.
option D. ये D है ना, misprint हो गया, right. So the correct option is D. Now the next question, 34. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:6. If 8 is subtracted from each of the number, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the numbers. So let the two numbers be x and y. And the ratio of x and y is given 5:6. That is x upon y is equals to 5/6. Let it be equation number 1. Now if we subtract both by 8, then the ratio becomes 4:5. So 8x minus 8 upon y minus 8 will be equals to 4 upon 5. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you will get 5x minus 40 is equals to 4y minus 32. Shift 4y to this side and minus 40 to this side. Minus 40 यहाँ पर आएगा तो plus 40 हो जाएगा. So minus 32 plus 40 is 8. So we'll get 5x minus 4y is equals to 8. Any doubt in equation number 2?
No, sir.
Right. So now what we have to do, we have to substitute the value of y. यहाँ पे y कितना आ रहा है देखो, y is equals to 6 upon 5x. This value we will substitute here. Okay. So we'll get this one. 5x minus 4 into 6 by 5x is equals to 8. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट, यहाँ कुछ नहीं आएगा तो. This is nothing. Okay. नहीं. This is correct only. Okay. Now take square LCM. If you take LCM, you will get 25. देखो यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ मैं. 25x minus 24x divided by 5 is equals to 8. So we'll get x upon 5 is equals to 8 only. So what is the value of x?
40.
40, right. अगर यहाँ पे हम लोग 40 substitute करते हैं यहीं पे, so what we are getting?
Y equal to 48.
Very good. Y is equals to 48. So which option is the correct one?
Option
B.
Option
B.
D, right. ये D है ना? 40 and 48. Okay, fine. So now we are moving towards the next question, question number 35. There are some students in the two examination halls A and B. To make the number of students equal in each hall, 10 students are sent from A to B. But if 20 students are sent from B to A, the number of students in A becomes double the number of students in B. Find the number of students in the two halls. Right? Question is clear to all of you?
Sir.
Right. So let the number of students in hall A be X and hall B Y. Right. Now, according to the condition, what is given that if we take 10 students from, if we shift 10 students from A to B, the strength will be same. मतलब x minus 10 और y plus 10 दोनों equal होगा. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
A से 10 स्टूडेंट शिफ्ट किए मतलब -10 और यहाँ पे 10 स्टूडेंट ऐड हो गया मतलब +10. So we'll get x minus y is equals to 20. This is the first equation. Now the second condition is what is given that if 20 students are sent from B to A, 20 students sent मतलब y minus 20 और x में +20 हो जाएगा. So x plus 20 will be double of y minus 20. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we have to form one more equation from here. तो यहाँ पे 2y को शिफ्ट करो और यहाँ पे -40 होगा ना, -40 और -20 भी आएगा यहाँ पर. So we'll get x minus 2y is equals to -60. Second equation clear है?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to subtract these two. देखो subtract मैं कर रहा हूँ, माइनस प्लस प्लस. So x minus x cancel हो जाएगा and minus y plus 2y will be y is equals to 80. ठीक है, y is equals to 80 आ गया. Now if you substitute y is equals to 80 here, you will get x minus 80 is equals to 20. So what is the value of x?
100.
100. Right. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. 100 in hall A and 80 in hall B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 36. In a competitive examination, 1 mark is awarded for each correct answer, while 1/2 mark is deducted for every wrong answer. Jayanti answered 120 questions and got 90 marks. How many questions did she answer correctly? So let the number of correct answers be x and the wrong answer be y. So total number of questions it is given 120. So x plus y is equals to 120. Let it be equation number 1. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
1 mark awarded for correct answer. So x into 1. And half marks deducted. Okay. So y into minus 1/2. यहाँ पे 1 marks award हो रहा है और यहाँ पे minus half reduce हो रहा है. So x into 1 plus y into minus half is equals to total marks 90. Right, now we'll take LCM here. So if you take LCM, you will get 2x minus y upon 2 is equals to 90. So this is clear? So 2x minus y is equals to 180. Now see these two equations we have to add. If you add, plus y minus y will be cancelled and we'll get 3x is equals to 300. So what is the value of x?
100.
100. So what is the correct option?
Option B.
Option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 37. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 15. The number obtained by interchanging the digits exceeds the given number by 9. The number is dash. So let the tens place digit is x, okay, and unit place digit is y. So how will you write this number? 10x plus y.
Plus y.
Very good. 10x plus y. And the number is 10x plus y. If we reverse the digit, then what you will get?
10y plus x.
Y, 10y plus x. Very good. So now the sum of the digits is given 15. So x plus y is equals to 15. And if the digits are reversed, we are getting 10y plus x. And it is given that the number exceeds by 9. Okay, this new number exceeds मतलब ज़्यादा है इससे. How much? Plus 9. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what we will do, we will shift this to this side. So minus 9x और minus 9y हो जाएगा. Okay. Sorry, minus 10x minus y हो जाएगा. And what we are getting, 9y minus 9x is equals to 9. Now divide all by 9. So what you will get?
Y minus x equal to 1.
Right, very good. Now we will add equation 1 and 2. This one and this one. So add करेंगे तो x cancel होगा. So we'll get 2y is equals to 16. So what is the value of y?
8.
8, right. Now substitute the value of y here. So you will get x plus 8 is equals to 15. So what is the value of x?
7.
7, right. So what is the number?
78.
78. If you substitute here also this formula 10x plus 9, then also you'll get the value 78. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, right. So now we are moving toward question number 38. दो क्वेश्चन और है. 5 years hence the age of a man shall be 3 times the age of his son, while 5 years earlier the age of the man was 7 times the age of his son. The present age of the man is dash. So let the man's present age be x and son ka y. Okay. So now 5 years later, hence मतलब later होता है. So the age of man is 3 times the age of son. मतलब x plus 5 is equals to 3 times y plus 5. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now open this bracket. So you will get 3y plus 15. Now 3y को यहाँ shift करो minus 3y और plus 5 को इधर shift करो minus 5. So you will get first equation x minus 3y is equals to 10. Now 5 years ago man is 7 times, मतलब x minus 5 is equals to 7 times y minus 5. So open this bracket, you will get 7y minus 35. Shift 7y to this side, right? Minus 7y और minus 5 को उधर shift करो plus 5. So we'll get x minus 7y is equals to minus 30. अब यहाँ पे x का coefficient same है और sign भी same है, so we have to subtract. देखो यहीं पे subtract कर रहा हूँ मैं. Sign change. So x cancel. We'll get 4y is equals to 40. Okay, so y is equals to
10.
10. Right. Now substitute y is equals to 10 in here, this equation. So x minus 3 into 10, that is minus 30 is equals to 10. Minus 30 को इधर shift करो. So what you will get, x is equals to
40.
40.
right. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option B.
Option D, right. So now we are moving toward the second last question. 39th. Find two numbers such that the sum of thrice the first and the second is 142. अगर first number x होगा, second number y, thrice the first means 3x, second number मतलब plus 5 is equals to 142. And 4 times the first exceeds the second by 138. मतलब 4x is equals to y plus 138. Okay, so we'll get first equation 3x plus y is equals to 142, and the second one we'll get 4x is minus y is equals to 138. Now what we have to do, we have to add. So if we add, we'll get 7x is equals to 280, right? So what is the value of x?
40.
40. Now substitute the value of x in first equation यहाँ पे. So 3 into 40 plus y is equals to 142. तो ये 120 हो जाएगा. 120 को इधर shift करो. So what you will get? Y is
Y
equals
equal to 22.
very good. Y is equals to 22. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B.
Option B, right. Option B है ये. Right. Now 40th, the last question of today's session. A sailor goes 8 kilometers downstream in 40 minutes and returns in 1 hour. Then the speed of the sailor in still water and the speed of the current respectively equal to. Right. So let the first the speed of the sailor in still water be x and the speed of the current be y. Okay, so what is the speed in downstream?
X plus y.
Very good. In upstream?
X minus y.
Minus y.
Right. Okay, fine. Very good. Downstream, see, the distance is given 8 kilometer. Okay, and the time is given 40 minutes. Right, and we know that distance is equals to speed into time. Distance is equals to speed into time. Correct. And distance is given 8 kilometer. बट स्पीड जो दिया है वो 40 मिनट्स दिया है, तो इसका रेशियो क्या होगा 40/60. वी हैव टू टेक 40/60. दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके, नाउ सी 0 0 कैंसिल और ये भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम लोग. सो x प्लस वाई हम लोग को मिलेगा 12. एनी डाउट हियर?
No, sir.
ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन.
Sir, I have a doubt.
यस,
Sir, why we have taken 40/60?
because the speed is given per hour and the time is given in minute. How will you convert minute to hour?
By divided by 60.
Right. So speed into time is equals to distance. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now the next one is given 1 hour return. Return के लिए 1 hour. So return में speed क्या है उसका? X minus y upstream. Okay. And the distance will be same only 8 kilometer. So we'll get x minus y into 1 is equals to 8. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So x minus y is equals to 8 is the second equation. Now we have to add these two equations. Plus y minus y will be cancelled and we are getting 2x is equals to 20. So what is the value of x? 10. Right. Now substitute 10 here. So 10 plus y is equals to 12. So final value of y?
2.
2. Right. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A. Right. So this is the last question of today's session. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.